I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink water. I drink water.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I go to school or work. I go to school or work. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. We're so glad you're here. We've missed you.
I attend my classes or work. I attend my classes or work.
I come back home. I come back home. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I rest for some time. I rest for some time. I watch TV or read a book. I watch TV or read a book. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.